My name is Sarah, better known as Mrs. Boy Bilbo 81. I have my own channel, but this is the first time I've actually posted on it. I thought I'd give it a go and see if I could get into this. My husband bought it me, and well, yeah, we're gonna have a go. Not entirely convinced it's all skill. Most of it is potluck, but we will have a go. That'll be one of the times where it goes, no, I don't want to play. You can sit there and do it a million times, but when it's on camera, it's different. Oh. It's not gonna behave. Oh. That's my furry little friend. Shush. Oh, yay! And we did it. Ta-da! I know it's not the most impressive lock in the world, but it is my first proper video, so I hope you liked it and that maybe you could possibly subscribe, and I will hopefully be doing some more soon. Thank you, bye!